Welcome to one of Udemy's best-selling courses on algorithmic trading. In this course, you'll learn to understand the code and system behind trading bots through Python, backtesting, live trading, and building trading bots for multiple asset classes. Essentially, you'll learn to understand the code, understand the system, and become a quant. We're at the start of AI, and we're facing a huge bottleneck. AI models are trained with existing ideas, existing solutions, and existing implementations. So when we ask it a question, the answer that it gives us is mostly going to be from what it was trained on instead of new, innovative ideas. This leads to several problems. One of the biggest ones is the crowding effect, which is when too many traders and investors trade the exact same asset and use the exact same trading strategy. This is particularly dangerous because when bad news hits, everybody gets out of their positions at the same time, leading to massive crashes. By outsourcing your thinking and strategy development to AI, you may also lose the ability to innovate and adapt to new market environments. The last problem highlighted here is very significant if being a quant is part of your career trajectory. If you only know how to use AI and don't know anything about the systems or the code behind the work that you're delivering, what value are you bringing into your company? To help you break through that bottleneck, this course will teach you how to understand code, how to understand the systems behind trading bots, and once you're familiar with those systems, you'll know what's possible and what's not. By having all three core pillars in your toolkit, you'll be able to build like a quant, coming up with original ideas, unique strategies, and unique solutions. This course has 3 sections. The first is Python Essentials, where you'll learn only the Python knowledge needed to code trading bots. The second is Quant Connect Essentials, where you learn to build stock trading bots and master the systems behind trading bots. The last is Complicated Asset Classes, where you learn to build trading bots for options, futures, forex, and crypto. Take note that you do not need any prior programming experience before taking this course. It'll give you everything that you need. We've talked a lot about the systems behind trading bots. Here are a few examples of the critical parts that make up those systems, such as how to process and manage market data, how to build market scanners so the bot automatically knows what it should trade, how to build signals using indicators, rules, and machine learning forecasts so the bot knows when it should enter and exit a position, how to build position sizing and risk control logic so the bot doesn't blow up your account during sudden unfavorable market conditions, how to run backtests and find the most important backtest statistics so you can judge your trading strategy effectively. And finally, how to manage the execution of your trading bot when trading in live markets through order management and know what the constraints are when live trading. As mentioned earlier, this course will teach you to build trading bots for multiple asset classes. They include stocks, options, futures, forex, and crypto. You might be wondering, why learn from us? Well, it's in the name. We're a company whose main focus is trading bots. We've worked with hundreds of clients globally who've given us real requirements with real implementation constraints. Among our accomplishments are, we're one of the few top-rated trading bot developers on Fiverr. We're also vetted by Fiverr as a pro in trading bot development. We've put years of our practical experience in this course, so you'll learn things here that you won't learn anywhere else. Here are a few of our verified order reviews from Fiverr to prove our credentials. Feel free to pause the video to have a look. And here are a few of our verified course reviews from Udemy for this course to prove its exceptional quality. If you'd like a preview of your learning experience in this course, check out Day 2's lecture to see a successful backtest in action. So what are you waiting for? Start your algorithmic trading journey today to build, backtests, and think like a quant. We'll see you in the course.